has just shocked the world by making a bold, audacious leap towards becoming a dominant player in both the continental and global automotive sector, sealing a jaw-dropping $1 billion deal with China's Salem Group to build a cutting-edge tire manufacturing facility in the Suez Canal Economic Zone, or SC Zone, by 2026. This is not just another industrial announcement. It's a declaration of intent, a statement that Egypt is ready to stop merely importing cars and parts, and instead become a powerful force shaping the future of mobility for Africa, the Middle East, and beyond. Can you imagine the sheer scale of ambition it takes to go from being a market for foreign-made tires to producing over 10 million of them annually for domestic and export markets? That's exactly what Egypt is about to do. The new facility will be located in the industrial developer side of the Ain Sokhmet Integrated Zone, within the Tianjin Economic Technological Development Area, or TEDA. This place is an anchor location in the SC Zone, which itself is a crown jewel in Egypt's economic transformation. Positioned at one of the world's most strategic maritime crossroads, the SC Zone sits along the Suez Canal, where an estimated 12% of global trade passes annually. It's a special economic region designed with a single vision: to make Egypt a global manufacturing and logistics hub, offering investors unparalleled connectivity to Africa, Europe, and Asia, alongside competitive tax breaks, customs incentives, and streamlined business operations. For a company like Salem, which serves over 180 countries, there could hardly be a more ideal launchpad into Africa and the Middle East. The land footprint alone is enough to make your jaw drop. 350,000 square meters of prime industrial real estate. To put that into perspective, that's the equivalent of around 49 standard FIFA soccer pitches. Now imagine each of those pitches replaced with high-tech machinery, precision engineering lines, automated quality control systems, and fleets of workers operating at full capacity. It's an industrial ecosystem in itself, a fortress of innovation built to serve both the local market and a vast network of international clients. Phase 1 of the project, set to wrap up in 2026, will roll out an annual production of 3 million passenger car tires and 600,000 truck and bus tires. But that's just the warm-up lap. By the time all 3 phases are completed, the plant will have a staggering total annual capacity exceeding 10 million tires. That's more than enough to meet Egypt's domestic demand, slash its reliance on imports, and flood regional markets with high-quality, locally made products. Given the global shortage of certain automotive components in recent years, can you imagine the competitive edge Egypt will gain by securing such a vital piece of the supply chain? The project will be executed by Salem Group in partnership with TEDA Egypt and under the oversight of the General Authority for the Suez Canal Economic Zone. The stakeholders include Egypt's government, represented at the highest level by Prime Minister Mustafa Madbouli, and a range of public-private partners committed to transforming Egypt into a manufacturing powerhouse. Construction will take place over 3 years, divided into 3 meticulously planned phases to ensure that each production line is optimized before scaling to full output. The initial funding is a mix of foreign direct investment from Salem and supportive government policies, designed to make the SC Zone one of the most competitive industrial landscapes in the world. For those unfamiliar with Salem Group, Egypt could not have picked a better partner. Founded in 2002, Salem is one of China's largest automotive tire producers and a true global leader in the sector. Its factories in China and Vietnam churn out an eye-watering 26.6 million truck and bus radial tires, 88 million passenger car radial tires, and 310,000 tons of off-the-road tires every year. Their products travel to over 180 countries, supported by advanced R&D, rigorous quality control, and an extensive international sales and logistics network. In other words, this isn't just any tire company. This is a heavyweight with the technology, scale, and global market access to instantly put Egypt on the map in tire manufacturing. Funding for the project has been strategically structured to maximize efficiency and minimize risk, with Salem bringing in substantial foreign capital while Egypt provides the enabling infrastructure and policy environment. The deal was inked after years of groundwork by the SC Authority to attract big-ticket investments in automotive manufacturing, building on earlier successes like BMW's assembly operations and Sumitomo's wiring harness plant. At present, the project is in its preparatory stage, designing plant layouts, ordering equipment, and finalizing supply chain arrangements before moving into active construction. The revolutionary nature of this project cannot be overstated. By producing its own tires domestically, Egypt is not only reducing the outflow of foreign currency spent on imports, but also creating thousands of skilled jobs, fostering technical know-how, and embedding itself deeper into the global automotive value chain. For Africa, this plant is a potential game changer. Imagine regional car assembly plants from Morocco to South Africa sourcing tires from Egypt, rather than importing them from Asia or Europe. Imagine African trucking companies fitting locally made tires designed for regional road conditions instead of generic imports. This is how industrial revolutions begin, not with fanfare, but with smart strategic infrastructure investments that ripple across economies. Egypt's leadership deserves credit for thinking big and acting boldly. Too often, African nations remain stuck in the role of raw material exporters while importing the very goods they could produce themselves. Egypt is showing a different path, one where African countries localize production, climb the value chain, and become exporters of finished products. By aligning this tire plant with massive infrastructure upgrades, new ports, expanded road networks, and modernized tunnels, Egypt is making sure the SC Zone becomes more than just a tax-free industrial park. It's becoming a continental manufacturing nerve center. This $1 billion deal is more than a business transaction. It's a signal to the world that Africa's industrial awakening is underway. It's proof that with the right vision, strategic partnerships, and relentless execution, African nations can attract world-class manufacturing giants and secure a place in global value chains. The question now is, who will follow Egypt's lead? Will other African countries seize the moment to localize their industries and build world-class facilities, or will they watch from the sidelines as Egypt races ahead? Because make no mistake, the tire tracks from Ain Sokhna won't just be rolling across Egypt's roads, they'll be imprinted across the continent's economic future. Your perspective matters. What do you make of Egypt's $1 billion deal with China's Salem Group to build a tire manufacturing plant in the Suez Canal economic zone? Share your thoughts and insights in the comments section below. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to the New Africa Wealth and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our informative future videos. Stay informed, stay engaged, and thank you for watching.